Hey guys, what's up? Back with another video. Alright, so in this one, it's a multi-channel collab. It's called the graphic liner. I will put the picture right here. It's a pretty simple look. So at the same time, I'm gonna be doing like a girl talk video as my own thing. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm gonna be using is foundation. I'm going to be using this foundation I got from Target. It's called Fit by Maybelline. First thing about girl talk is confidence. You definitely want to have confidence. You should grow it while you're a teen. I know when you're a teen you go through a lot of things, but other than that you should like definitely ask your parents. They're number one therapist there. They can help you. They've been through what you're going through, and honestly, if you don't really like have parents to talk to, because I know sometimes girls are like, oh, I don't really have my parents to talk to, they're always busy, blah blah blah, and if I do talk to them, then they don't really listen. I kind of like, I've heard a lot of stories from, you know, my past and everything, like living in different countries. So even if you don't have parents to talk to, make a good group of friends where you know those friends will stick at least throughout 12th grade, and make sure they're real. Obviously it's kind of hard to tell if they're real or not, but you know if they're real if they not just you message them or come to you, but or you go to them, but if they also come back to you for anything. And if like they don't, then you know, well, everyone goes through everything. But yeah, definitely make a friend group if you really feel more comfortable about that. Ask them if you're always going through anything. So basically like have to have your confidence in everything, not just your parents, or if you have any siblings, except if you're only child, then yeah, make a group of friends. But yeah, if you have siblings, then also go to your siblings if you were kind of close to them. So next up is I don't tend to put that much foundation, but next up I put is my Tarte concealer from Ulta Beauty. That just fell. The next up is, when did you start wearing makeup? So I've been like up and down with makeup. I wear it, I mean, a lot of times I just wear it for like holidays, but I feel like I definitely started wearing makeup when I was in middle school. Not going to say the exact age because I don't remember, but I basically started with like eyeliner and mascara. I was really bad at it though. Like people would be like, what are you wearing? Like, you should not wear makeup. I'm like, I don't know. Of course, I was in middle school, so I was all like, I didn't know what to say, you know? When you're in middle school, you don't really know what to say. You don't have the good comebacks. So yeah, that's kind of like when I started wearing makeup. Alright, next I'm going to be using for the graphic liner my Snap eyeliner. And the next thing is, have you had any struggles with mental health? So mentally, I have, like, I've been through it all in like middle school, a little bit with high school, but mainly middle school, kind of in elementary school a little bit, like third, fourth grade, when you like girls or people start, you know, to know things and like say more things and kind of notice things about other people. But yeah, I did have a little bit of a struggle. Like people would just like make fun of me, laugh at me, like, oh, you don't know the language, you shouldn't be laughing because you didn't understand it. But what if I did? So it's like, and of course I was kind of like the shy type, so I wouldn't like talk back. But overall, yeah, I did have struggles with my mental health, and I would just be lonely every time going back to school. Practically my school was like my safe space, just because like it would be like away from my house, and like I would do something, you know, like you're listening, paying attention. But at recess, I didn't really like recess because like I didn't have that many friends. I tried to get into groups, but like people just like kick me out, so like I would just be standing there. But I made some like kind of close friends I mean, I still talk to them, but like those were like in my high school in Italy. But yeah, definitely I feel like my outgrowth was in college, and I made more friends and stuff. Yeah, but yeah, definitely if you're going through mental health, like try and like talk to a teacher, just like talk to a parent or anything. Just do not commit or like try and commit suicide. That's not the best solution, because if you die, people are just gonna make a funeral, cry, and oh my god, it's just really bad. It's bad. Like, we don't want people to die young, you know? Alright, how are you? Right now, I'm pretty good. Alright, please talk about body positivity. Everyone should love their body no matter what. Doesn't matter if you're skinny, overweight, in the middle. Just like, you need to love your body for what you are. Just because that was really annoying. You need to just love your body. God made you for who you are, and like wherever you live in and however they eat and like where you live in, then you know, it's just people eat differently in different places. So I just feel like you need to live with that. Be happy with where you live. You were born for a reason, and you were born with your own family for a reason, and where you are right now, whatever language you speak, and if English is second language, then you know God put you there for a reason. So experience life. Do not hate yourself for anything, because you are beautiful no matter what. And if you're really feeling down and everything, just like get back up. Think about all the good things that have happened in life. Forget about the bad. Just, I know it's easy to say, like it's not that hard, like it's pretty hard to do, but if you just think about it, just do it, you know? You're beautiful inside and out, and if there's people hating on you for that, screw them, like just screw them, okay? Alright, what are some ways to deal with societal pressures? I kind of goes into body positivity, but like, if I know like teens get that peer pressure, so I had a lot of peer pressure of like how I looked and everything. I don't know, I always like felt like I had to be up to the trend, up to date, and back then it was like with flip phones and everything. So there's like no social media, so like everyone was just there in the moment. But nowadays, with social media and everything, I just feel like some ways to deal with it is just like, don't listen to the hatred. Like literally don't listen to the hatred, because those people are just jealous. They're probably going through something with their parents, and they just take it out on you. And the reason why they want to be popular is because they're trying to outcome their parents. Maybe their parents might like be downgrading them or something. So who knows? But yeah, that's it for the girl talk. Hey, this is future Tori. It's another day. I totally forgot. So the graphic liner definitely has not just eyeliner, but like a little bit up top. I show it towards the beginning, so I tried to like do the exact same one. I hope that's okay. So in the picture it's pink and blue up here with a little bit of white liner. I don't have white liner, so I'm gonna be using the same black liquid eyeliner up here. So like connect it from here and just go up like that. So I'm gonna be using this palette. It's called Ofra palette. Can you even see it? Okay, it's like reflective. So yeah, I'm gonna be using this blue and then this pink for each side. And that's it for the look. So yeah, I hope you liked it. Watch out for episode 2 of Girl Talk. I will be asking again on my Instagram, so be sure to follow that and subscribe if you ain't. And yeah, comment down below anything else. Bye.